Hi, it's Di with WTI, and this here is perfect tool for you who wants to know both Celsius and Fahrenheit. This is great tool for communicating with your friends and family over the seas, or if you just want to know how hot it is in Celsius, whatever is the Fahrenheit. So right now we are around 80 Fahrenheit and 27 Celsius. So it's a relatively warm day, and also this comes with the hygrometer, so it's easy to see what is the current humidity level. I like easy tool like this, and I have it sitting on outdoors normally because that's where I want to know for sure what is the temperature. I recommend this to everybody who is interested in both Celsius and Fahrenheit, and that is my point of view.